Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje Pune. We will continue the chapter arithmetic progression. Today we will continue practice set 3.1. Which of the following sequence are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, so on. When the given sequence is an AP, if the difference between consecutive terms always constant, therefore we have to take difference between consecutive terms. Here the first term is 3, therefore t1 is equal to 3. Second term is 3 plus root 2, therefore t2 is equal to how much? 3 plus root 2. Here t3 is equal to how much? 3 plus 2 root 2. And t4 is equal to how much? 3 plus 3 root 2. Then to find the difference between consecutive term, therefore we have to find out here t2 minus t1. t2 is nothing but how much? 3 plus root 2 minus into bracket t1 is equal to how much? 3. Therefore 3 plus root 2 at it is, and plus into minus becomes minus 3. Plus 3 and minus 3 are cancelled out here. Then what will be remaining? Here root 2 is remaining. Therefore t2 minus t1 is equal to how much? Root 2. Now we have to take subtraction between third term and second term. Therefore t3 minus t2. t3 is equal to how much? 3 plus 2 root 2 minus into bracket t2 is nothing but 3 plus root 2. Here we have to open this bracket. 3 plus 2 root 2 at it is. Here plus 3 becomes as minus 3 and plus root 2 becomes as minus root 2. Now plus 3 and minus 3 are cancelled. 2 root 2 and root 2 are remaining terms. These two terms have opposite sign, therefore we have to take subtraction between these two like surds. Then how to take subtraction between like surd? We take subtraction of their coefficient. The coefficients of first surd is 2 and second surd is nothing but 1. Therefore 2 minus 1 is nothing but how much? 1. That means root 2. Now we will take t4 minus t3. Tell me t4 is equal to how much? t4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus into bracket. t3 is nothing but how much? 3 plus 2 root 2. Now where to open this bracket? How to open this bracket? We have to split this negative sign. Therefore plus 3 becomes as minus 3 and plus 2 root 2 becomes as minus 2 root 2. Here plus 3 and minus 3 are cancelled out. 3 root 2 and minus 2 root 2, these are the like surds. Therefore we have to take subtraction of these two like surds. Then we subtract between their coefficient. The coefficient of first surd is 3 and that of second surd is 2. 3 minus 2 is nothing but 1. That means 1 into root 2 means root 2. From 1, 2 and 3, the difference between consecutive terms is same, root 2, root 2, root 2. That means from 1, 2 and 3, t2 minus t1 is equal to t3 minus t2 is equal to t4 minus t3 is equal to root 2. And this difference between consecutive terms is root 2. That means constant. Therefore, the given sequence is an AP and common difference d is equal to how much? Root 2. Second example, 2 comma 5 upon 2 comma 3 comma 7 upon 2. Tell me here t1 is equal to how much? 2. t2 is equal to how much? 5 upon 2. t3 is equal to how much? 3. And t4 is equal to how much? 7 upon 2. Now we have to take difference between their consecutive terms. That means t2 minus t1 is equal to, t2 is nothing but 5 upon 2 and t2 is t1 is nothing but 2. 5 upon 2 is nothing but 2 equal part of 5. That means half of 5 is nothing but how much? 2.5. Therefore 5 upon 2 is nothing but 2.5 minus 2 at it is. 2.5 minus 2. How much? 2.5 minus 2 means 2.0. 5 minus 0 is 5. Decimal point at it is 2 minus 2 is nothing but 0. Therefore we will get 0.5. This is number 1. Now t3 minus t2. t3 is nothing but how much? 3 minus t2 is 5 upon 2. 3 at it is and 5 upon 2 is nothing but 2.5. 3 minus 2.5 is nothing but 0.5. Now t4 minus t3. t4 is nothing but 7 upon 2 minus T3 is 3. 7 upon 2 means half of 7 is nothing but 3.5 minus 3. That means 3.5 minus 3 is nothing but 0.5. From 1, 2 and 3, the difference between consecutive terms is constant. That means T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3 is equal to how much? 0.5. And this difference between consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, difference between two consecutive terms is constant. Therefore, given sequence is an AP and common difference D is equal to how much? 0.5. Next example. This example asks for 2 times March 14 and July 15, 1, 3, 6 and 10. Tell me here first term T1 is equal to how much? 1, T2 3, T3 6 and T4 10. Now we have to take difference between first two consecutive terms. In this way, T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. T2 is nothing but 3 minus T1 is nothing but 1. 3 minus 1. That means how much? 2. Now we take T3 minus T2. T3 is nothing but 6 minus T2 is nothing but 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to how much? 3. Now T4 minus T3. T4 is equal to how much? 10. And T3 is equal to 6. 10 minus 6 is nothing but 4. Observe from 1, 2 and 3. Difference between first two consecutive term is 2. Difference between third term and second term is 3. And difference between fourth term and third term is 4. And these are not same. That means from 1, 2 and 3, T2 minus T1 is not equal to T3 minus T2 is not equal to T4 minus T3. That means difference between two consecutive terms is not constant, because here all the difference are different. Therefore, difference between two consecutive terms is not constant. Therefore, the sequence is not an AP. Write an AP whose first term is A is 10 and common difference D is 5. Now, here first term is given how much? That means first term is nothing but we show T1 is equal to how much? 10 and common difference D is equal to how much? 5. Here already first term is given. Where to find out next three term? That means T2 is equal to. How will we get T2? Where to add difference D in the first term. That means T2 is equal to T1 plus D. Here T1 is nothing but 10 and D is how much? 5. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now where to find out third term? How we will find out third term? That means where to add common difference in the second term. That means T2 plus D. Here T2 is equal to 15 plus D is 5. 15 plus 5 is equal to how much? 20. Now fourth term. How will you find out fourth term? Where to add common difference in the third term. That means T3 plus D. T3 is equal to 20 plus common difference 5. 20 plus 5, 25. We find out the first four term. Therefore, the required AP is first term is 10, second term is 15, third term is 20 and fourth term is 25, so on. Write an AP whose first term A is 11 and common difference D is negative 2 given, and this example asks for March 16. Observe here difference D is how much? Negative 2. Therefore, the given sequence is in descending order. इथे लक्षात घ्या जेव्हा कॉमन डिफरन्स निगेटिव्ह होतो तेव्हा काय होणार आहे? टर्म्स आहेत त्या लहान लहान होत जाणार आहेत. नाव हिअर फर्स्ट टर्म T1 is equal to how much? 11 and common difference D is equal to how much? Negative 2. Already first term is given. We find out the second term. How to find out second term? Where to add common difference in the first term. Therefore, T2 is equal to first term T1 plus common difference D. Here T1 is given how much? 11 plus common difference is given negative 2. Now 11 at it is plus into minus becomes as minus 2. 11 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 9. How to find out T3? Where to add this common difference D in the second term. We find out second term how much? 9. Therefore, T3 is equal to second term T2 plus common difference D. Here T2 is nothing but how much? 9 plus into bracket common difference D is negative 2. Now plus into minus 2. Therefore 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is equal to how much? 7. Now to find the fourth term, we have to add common difference in the third term. We find out here third term is 7. Therefore T3 plus D. T3 is equal to 7 plus into bracket common difference is negative 2. 7 at it is plus into minus 2. 7 minus 2 is nothing but how much? 5. Therefore the required AP is the first term is 11, second term is 9, third term is 7 and fourth term is 5, so on. That means here the sequence is in decreasing order. Now find the first four terms in AP when A is equal to 3 and D is equal to 4. This example asked in October 14. Here T1 is equal to how much? T1 is equal to A is equal to 3 and common difference D is equal to 4. Therefore second term, how to find out second term? We have to add common difference in the first term, that means T1 plus D. Here T1 is given 3 plus common difference is given 4. 3 plus 4 is nothing but 7. To find the third term, we have to add common difference in the second term, that means T2 plus D. Here T2 is given 7 plus D is 4. 7 plus 4 is nothing but 11. Now to find the fourth term, we have to add common difference in the third term. Therefore T3 plus D. Here T3 is equal to how much? 11 plus common difference is 4. 11 plus 4 is equal to how much? 15. Therefore we find the first four terms of an AP is 3, 7, 11, 15 and so on. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also like this video and share this video. Thank you.